Igoti-ini ria Eldoret kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, mucirithania Emily Kigen niwe wathanire andu 15 gatagati-ini ga 17 aria meriga guikio ngono magikuruhanio na tharikira ya ndege ya mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga makorwo makirekererio. Kuringana na Kigen ekuirwo ya matiri na thitango cia gucokia gugituika ona matiari hakuhi na kuria tharikira iyo yatabaneirio gukwangia ri magitanyo gucokia thitango itiganite.
Supposed to receive the charge sheet from the police for the two who are still behind, and once we see the charges that they wish to prefer against them, then we should be able to advise them accordingly.
Kuringana na wakiri uria uramarugamirire Titus Bitok ni hari bata mabitha a borithi gwikaga uthuthuria wa kinyi mbere ya kunyita na gukinyia mundu igoti-ini, akiuga andu aya manyititwo mugaru na watho kuona matiari na mahitia.
I had time to interrogate them as well as the advocate, and what I found out is that most of them were found on the road. They were collected and they were just asked to board the Land Cruiser or the police motor vehicle. They were brought to the police station.
Family cia andu aya ona gukiri uguo maugite ni maiganiire kuona andu ao nimarekereirio guku magithie na mbere na gucunga muhera kuri mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio kumana na ngero iria atungirio.
Most of them are people who have many of jobs. They are not employed, and of course they seek source of income from various duties and jobs, so that when they were arrested it was beyond hours. Probably that is the reason why they were arrested and collected and brought to the police station.
Mwena wa thitango niguo wendekithitie ekuirwo acio makorwo makihingirwo sesheni-ini ya borithi ya Eldoret kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 niguo methe wira muiganu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.